Right, so today we're going to be doing the antenna on the 74 Dodge Charger. These are the minimum pieces that you need if you just want the factory look. Luckily, I had some of these parts already with the car, however, some were missing. So you're going to have to get, this is just kind of the antenna mass pretty much. Here's the part number if that'll help you at all. But it's pretty simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this underneath the fender. If your car's already put together, it'd be a lot easier if the fender was off. And this half moon piece goes down like this. Now, because this half moon piece is going to be in there, what you can notice is on this little side here, there's a little notch, a little cutout. And that's because closer to the driver's side is higher than the actual passenger side. The passenger side is lower with this car due to the curve. So you're going to want to get underneath, stack this on top, make sure that your little notch is pointing towards passenger side. Then what you're going to do, take your antenna right here, and as you're trying to have this underneath, have someone come over with the antenna, you can actually screw it in through here, and then you can lift up the whole mast this way. And then you can put on your little trim piece, and then kind of like this castle nut type thing we got going on. So we're going to show you the best that we can on how we got this done as easy as possible. Okay. You ready? Make sure, same thing with this, it's got a little gasket. Make sure that you have a gasket on it. It will scratch the crap out of your paint if you don't have this gasket. It won't be waterproof tight. So here, same thing. You're going to see that curvature. It's kind of an angle. You want the higher end, driver side, lower end, passenger side. And it's just going to fit in there just like a key. It's all keyed on both sides. So then it can't twist and turn on you. So now, we're going to have our helper over here put the antenna down right there. And I'm going to steal it from you, just so we can have a couple of threads on her. This might take you a couple of times. Just like that. And you want to screw that in as far as you can. Beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going to let go of my side. Partner, hold on to that. Now, what we can do is we can look to make sure that our piece is about halfway on each side, because it's just going to drift there. Just going to drift out in winter wonderland. You want to put your key right in there. Move around a little bit, and you should kind of just feel a little bit of tension there. So now you can drop that castle nut right on top. Make sure, don't let go of the antenna. And just screw that in. Don't go too tight right off the bat. You want to just move it around a little bit. Feel where there's a little bit less tension than where it was before. Keep moving around. And then here is probably when you want to make sure to buy an antenna type of nut. And you can really wrench down on that. I don't have one, so I think I'm going to borrow one from somebody. But for right now, just finger tight. I mean, you can see that it's locked on there real nice. So now we have an antenna on the 74 Dodge Charger, and doing those steps is going to make this process a million times better, especially when you have the car completely together like I do here.